Hello friends and my students, this is the video of SST. Yes, SST which is full of general knowledge, SST which is useful for everyone, and this is the second part of the SST. So you must watch this video because this video is going to be very important for everyone, and in this video I am going to explain some important things which we all must know. So I am going to explain some features of maps, and in my previous video I have explained the definition of map. So maps, what are the importance of maps? What are the features of maps? Maps, try to understand. First, a map gives more specific and detailed information as compared to a globe. A map gives more specific and detailed information as compared to a globe. A map is easy to carry. It can be folded or rolled and carried anywhere. Maps can be drawn to show a country, the world, or even your neighborhood. Types of maps. How many types of maps are? So there are different types of maps. There are different types of maps as political maps, physical maps, thematic maps. Political maps, physical maps, thematic maps. These are the types of maps. These are some common types of maps. Okay. So what are political maps? Try to understand. Some maps show different countries or different states in a country. Some maps show different countries or different states in a country. Such maps are called political maps. Such maps are called political maps. And second, physical maps. What are physical maps? Mountains, plateaus, plains, water bodies are shown on a physical maps. You can also say that the maps which represent mountains, plateaus, plains, water bodies are called physical maps. Note. Try to understand what is written inside this note. Besides these maps, there are maps that show industries, population, transport, minerals, crops, soil, natural resources, forests, and wildlife. Okay, now we talk about thematic maps. What are thematic maps? Some maps focus on specific information. Some maps focus on specific information such as rainfall, roads, industries, etc. These are known as thematic maps. So I think you have understood what maps are called. Thematic maps. Maps which represent rainfall, roads, industries, etc. are called thematic maps. Thematic maps are a specific type of maps which represents rainfall, roads, industries, etc. And now we try to understand directions of maps and subdirections of maps. So there are 4 directions represented by a map, and these 4 directions are east, west, north, south. And also there are 4 subdirections which represented by a map, and these subdirections are northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. Now try to understand the directions using this arrow diagram. Upper direction is north, lower or bottom direction is south. This is east and it is west. And in east, West Bengal is situated. In west, Gujarat is situated. And in north Jammu and Kashmir is situated, and in south Tamil Nadu is situated. The subdirections, direction between north and east is called northeast direction. It is a subdirection. Direction between north and west is called northwest direction, and it is also a subdirection. And direction between south and east is called southeast direction, and it is also a subdirection. And direction between south and west is called southwest direction. It is also a subdirection. Now try to understand scale. While constructing or drawing a map, we take some scales, and without a scale, a map is not possible. So we have to learn what is a scale, and we must understand the meaning of a scale also. So a scale, we cannot show the actual size of the things. We cannot show the actual size of the things shown in the maps without using scales. That's why we cannot show the actual size of the things shown in the maps without using scales. That's why scales are used. Scales are used while drawing or constructing maps. Understand? So try to understand what is the definition of a scale, what is the meaning of the scale. The scale is the ratio. The scale is the ratio. The scale is the ratio between 2 points on the ground. The scale is the ratio between 2 points on the ground and their corresponding distance on a map. For example, try to understand what is the scale. For example, the distance between Agra and Delhi is 500 kilometers, and it is the very big distance. It is a very large distance, and this distance cannot be represented. This distance cannot be shown on a map. That's why we have to take some scale, which is very small unit. And with the help of this small unit, we represent the large distance or large things. Suppose in place of 500 kilometer, we take 0.5 centimeter, and with the help of 0.5 centimeter, we represent 500 kilometer. Then this 0.5 centimeter is called the scale. So we take smaller units in place of larger or bigger units, and these smaller units are called scales. In my next video, I will explain some most important things which are really very useful for all, and we must all learn these things. That's why the next video is also going to be very important video for all, because every video is full of general knowledge. Every video is full of knowledge. That's why we have to gain these knowledge to increase our power, mind power, to increase our knowledge. Thanks for watching this video. I am really very happy because you are watching my videos. Thank you very much.